Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I know things are kind of difficult right now, but I hope you're all staying healthy and trying to stay happy. Um, as I am here at home, I wanted to take a minute to go over smart thinking with you. I know we talked about it in class once, but I'm not sure how many of you have used it. And I'd like you to submit your Project 3 essays to Smart Thinking before turning in your final draft. And with your final draft, you'll turn in the copy of the essay from Smart Thinking that has the Smart Thinking tutor's comments on it so that I can see if you took it into consideration. Anyway, so here we are on our homepage in Brightspace for our class, Integrated Reading and Writing. And you can tell from the top here there is not an option for Smart Thinking. So in order to do this, we're going to have to go to our Brightspace homepage. So just click on the little home shape here in the top left corner. And here on the home page, you can see the Smart Thinking option here at the top. So we'll select that. And the first thing it's going to show is this system check. Just make sure you're using one of these browsers. It'll probably have you log in if you've never been here before. And it should just be the same information you use to log into Brightspace. And here on the Smart Thinking page, there are lots of options, things you can do with Smart Thinking. And there's some tutorials down here to show you how you can use it. But of course, we are a writing class, so we're going to go to this option, Submit My Writing or Career Documents. And under that, there are a lot of other options. So if you just need a quick grammar and make sure that you've documented your sources correctly, you can go here. If you're trying to apply for a job and you want to submit your resume for review and get some feedback, you can go here. But of course, we're writing an essay. We're writing an argument essay. So let's click on the Essay Center. So here we are, we're going to submit our essay to this essay center, and it says that they'll strive to return essays within 24 hours. So you should get some feedback pretty quickly and then be able to respond to it and start working on your final draft of your essay, which is due at the end of next week. Once you've finished your final exam and everything, you can do it before or after, but those are the final things you'll have to do at your exam and submitting your final draft of your essay. So we're going to go type in here course level title. We're INRW 402, and we'll just go ahead and type out the full name of the class. And then the writing title, if you don't have a title yet, just put, argument essay on Walmart issue. Or maybe you do have a title. Maybe you want to write about how Walmart treats its workers unfairly, and so maybe you have a title, something like Walmart wages war against workers. Yeah. So we have a title, and then it says provide your assignment description and any special instructions for your tutor. So we know that your assignment is to write an argument essay about an issue regarding Walmart. It must be in MLA format. And we'll just say for links, it must be just like your other assignment. It must be approximately 2 pages in length. And that's a comma splice here because I forgot to put my and. So it must be in MLA format, and it must be approximately 2 pages in length. And you may say, if you know what you're writing about, you might go ahead and tell the tutor what side you're taking it. So you can say, like, I am arguing that Walmart pays workers unfairly. Just select up to 2 areas in which you need help. You might say use of resources like citations, and then maybe you're having trouble knowing if your paper is organized correctly. And then you can select when you want a tutor or if you have any specific needs. So you might say, if you need help with language, if there's a language barrier, you might select that, but most likely you'll just hit first available. And then you'll need to upload your essay. So wherever you've saved the essay on your computer, you'll go there. So I like to, sometimes if I know I'm about to upload something somewhere, just to make it easy to find, I'll put it on the desktop. So I'll go here to desktop, and let's just say, let's say I'm gonna have them critique this paper for me. I'm not actually submitting this, of course, but okay, so I can see here that my paper, the title of what I saved my paper as shows up here. So it's been uploaded to the site, and then I'll just click submit here. Once I've submitted it, I'm just going to wait the 24 hours for the feedback. And like I said, and then you'll submit that document along with your final essay, hopefully after learning something from it. I hope this helps, and I hope to talk to you all soon. Thanks.